are celebrating World Wetland Day 2021. So this year the theme of the wetland is wetlands and water. So today we organize this drawing competition in Dornala High School. The main motive is to encourage and motivate children for the protection of wetlands. So for that children have shown their good creativity, very amazing, all the photos and all the drawings. And what I would like to say is that the children are our future and water is also our future. So we have to protect water, wetlands, and the role of the children is very much in that. So with that, I would say that everyone should encourage their children to participate in such kind of events. And also we have to be conscious to protect our wetlands so that we can meet our water demands. Thank you.
అక్కడ పక్షులు వేరే జంతువులు యు అబ్జర్వ్ అక్కడ వెట్లాండ్ లో ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, వీకెండ్ లో వీక్ డే లో హాలిడే లో పిక్నిక్ కోసం. ఓకే, అంటే వెట్లాండ్ చాలా బాగా ప్లేస్, ఎందుకంటే వాటర్, పక్షులు, డిఫరెంట్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్, క్లీన్ ఎయిర్. నెక్స్ట్, వెట్లాండ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ అస్ వాటర్, because we need water is very important. So wetlands are very important source of water. Already if wetlands are gone, they will also not be existing. So
thank you. Congratulations.
Don't throw waste in water. Okay? Plant trees. If any illegal activity means if any illegal thing is there, anybody is throwing waste, everybody is cutting trees, anybody